Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable dishwashers, the COMFEE portable dishwasher and the Midea MDC 22P1ABB. Today, we'll explore their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE's portable dishwasher can accommodate approximately 2 place settings, making it ideal for individuals or small households. In contrast, the Midea MDC 22P1ABB offers a larger capacity of 6 place settings, which is perfect for families or those who entertain guests frequently. This significant difference in capacity is a crucial factor to consider based on your needs. The COMFEE's portable dishwasher features 6 wash programs, including normal, rapid, and air refresh, which cater to various cleaning needs. However, the Midea MDC 22P1ABB takes it a step further with 8 wash programs, including specialized cycles for baby care and delicate items. This variety allows users to choose the best setting for their specific dishwashing requirements. Noise level is another important consideration. The COMFEE's portable dishwasher operates at a noise level of 62 decibels, which may be noticeable in quiet environments. On the other hand, the Midea MDC 22P1ABB is quieter at 52 decibels, making it a better choice for those who prefer a more peaceful kitchen experience. This difference can significantly impact your overall satisfaction with the appliance. In conclusion, both the COMFEE's portable dishwasher and the Midea MDC 22P1ABB have their unique strengths. If you prioritize portability and a compact design, the COMFEE may be the right choice for you. However, if you need more capacity and a quieter operation, the Midea is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like